All right, hi guys, first graders. This is your phonics page, page 131. This page is focusing on the long O magic E, long U magic E, and the long E too is going to be talked about just a little bit. So we're looking at the long O magic E. Now remember when we did long O magic E, we've done long A magic E. You have the word note. And magic E doing its job is going to make the O say its name. So this is the long O magic E. O-t. And then we don't say the E. Note. So look at each picture. Circle the word that names the picture, then write the word. Look at number 1. That's a note. Which word says note? You should have circled this one. Good job. Then write the word on the line. Note. Number 2, what is that? If you said cube, you are correct. Now, which word is cube spelled correctly using our long U magic E? If you said this one, you are awesome. Put cube on the line. Now, if I'm going too fast in my video, I want you to pause it anytime you need to. Number 3, a globe. Which one says globe? Good. And then the last one, this is not a unicorn, it's not a horse. Sound these words out. Mule. Mule. Circle the word, write it in. Now number 5 and 6 we're actually going to do. We're going to write an O, a U, or an E to complete the word. What's missing? Is it an O, a U, or an E? So what is this right here? This is a rose. R-O-S. It's missing an O. And this is an ice cream. Good. O-N. Cone. All right, good job, you guys. You guys did your first phonics page. Good job.